Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday. And more importantly, it's Labor Day. So happy Labor Day to all of you wonderful people out there. Yeah. Hopefully you have the day off. Last night was date night and Sunday night dinner here at the Tomozik household. Robin came over and we had sloppy joes and pea salad. Both recipes are my own. Good old comfort food. It was a very nice evening. The food was great. It was nice time. Very nice time. I'll get the recipes up. Have at it. All right. Tonight, the culinary expedition continues. We are in Barbados. Fun little country. I'll be preparing a Caribbean pepperpot. Basically, this is a type of stew. It's a braise. Some browning will be done on the stovetop, but it gets basically all of its, goodness in the oven. Considering it's going to be 103 here today, according to Mr. Bob Harlan's weather report this morning, that's what AC's for. All right, so let's get to it. And the software. Beef. I'm using up some stir-fry beef I've had in the very cold box for a few months. I want to use it up. And so what else we got? We have olive oil, kosher salt, black pepper, garlic, of course, beef stock, coconut milk. I'll be slicing half of this onion, big chunks on the red bell pepper, some Thai chilies, some bay leaf, and butternut squash. That's kind of what attracted me to this recipe. Some more black pepper. Basically, the beef gets kind of marinated in black pepper and allspice, some whole thyme, and just a pinch or two of Indonesian cinnamon. Do you and your family have plans on this Labor Day? If so, if you have great food plans, let me know what they are. Let the group know what your food plans are for this Labor Day. Hot dogs? Steaks? What you got? All right. So on this Labor Day, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.